So hello everybody, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. First of all, please accept my apologies for being late for this particular session. So now we're going to start with this pair of linear equation in two variable session. This is basically for class 10th. So we're going to talk about pair of linear equations over here. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, so this is what we're going to talk about over here, the pair of linear equations in two variables. So now I was expecting some of you to join this class, but because we are late for this session, so you might not be here in this particular class. I understand that. So whenever you take the class later, I need to say whenever you go through the recording of this particular class, so you can just let me know, and we can just it will not be possible for us to get connected over the same YouTube session again. So if you ask some questions, I can better go through the comments of this video after that, and I can answer your questions over there. Or the other way around, what we can do is you can follow me on Unacademy. You can install Unacademy learning app in your mobile or in any of your device which you have, and then we can get connected over there. Okay, so I have my plus courses over there, I have my free lessons over there, I have my special classes over there. So there are multiple ways by which we can get connected in that particular session. Okay, so no issues with that, and let's continue with the session for now. Guys, please tell me if you are able to listen to what I'm saying, because I think there might be some issue with this session, because we have been facing some issue earlier as well. So is everything fine at your end? Please let me know, guys. Or if you could just excuse me for a moment so that I can just correct some of the things over here from my side. I think there might be some issue. Just a moment. Okay, guys, so let's begin with this. As you can see, we're going to talk about what is linear equation. And excuse me for all this, what just happened because of the connection. So we're going to talk about what is linear equation over here. Okay, so let me start with that. What a linear equation is. A linear equation is an equation in which the degree of all the variables involved is 1. So when I'm saying all the variables involved, so like we studied something in the very beginning, let's say in class 7th or 8th, about variables. What are variables? Okay, so when I say variable, it means I'm talking about something which we call x and y. Okay, so when I'm saying x and y, these are the variables. When I'm saying a, b, c, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, these are the constant terms. Okay, so suppose we want an equation in two variables. Okay, one being x, other being y. Now we want a linear equation in that. So when I'm saying linear equation, we must have an equation in which the powers of x and y are 1. Okay, so first thing is that there are two variables in the equation. First is your x and second is your y. First thing is this. Second thing is that the which I'm talking about, so because it's a linear equation, so the powers of x and y, are 1. Does that make sense to you? Okay, so the general form would be what? The general form would be ax plus by equals to c. Okay, ax plus by equals to c. Got it, guys? The general form would be ax plus by equals to c. Let me know if you are connected or if you are having any kind of doubt over here, so that we can just discuss it accordingly. Okay, great. Okay, yeah. Let me know if you face any kind of doubt, if you are connected with me over here in the comment section, so that I can just surely get back to that doubt and resolve it at the earliest. Okay, so let's continue with this particular thing which we have over here. Resolve that doubt. And now meanwhile let's continue with this particular session. So now what we will be doing is, अभी तक हमने देखा कि x और y में equations हैं. अब equations है, then obviously हम लोग उनको solve भी कर सकते हैं, right? So we are going to solve these equations in this particular session. यही हमारा काम है. इस सेशन में हम लोग equations solve करेंगे, और इस कोर्स के अंदर हम लोग equations solve करेंगे. Just a moment, guys. या ओके। सो इसी तरीके से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे। सॉल्व करने के तरीके क्या होते हैं, लाइक दो, मेरे पास जब पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विद टू वेरिएबल्स दे रखा है, मेरे पास जब पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स या विद टू वेरिएबल्स दे रखा है, तो उनको हम लोग बहुत सारे तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके, मोटे मोटे तौर पर जब हम तरीके देखें तो हमारे पास दो तरीके हैं। एक है ग्राफिकल मेथड, जहां पे हम ग्राफिकल अप्रोच से दो इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं, और एक है हमारे पास एल्जेब्रिक मेथड, जहां पे हम एल्जेब्रिक तरीके से इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं। ग्राफिकल मेथड एक ही है, वही ग्राफिकल मेथड हम लोग एक ही है जो लगाएंगे जिससे हम लोग इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे। जब हम बात करते हैं एल्जेब्रिक मेथड की, ओके, जब हम बात करते हैं एल्जेब्रिक मेथड की, तो हमारे पास एक एल्जेब्रिक मेथड नहीं है, हमारे पास एलिमिनेशन मेथड है, सबट्रैक्शन है, एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड है। ये तीन हमारे पास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड है जिनको हम लोग यूज करेंगे, जिनको हम लोग यूज करके अपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट। इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन में जो कि हाफ एन आवर का ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है, it's not possible for us to cover all the methods, but at least we'll cover first method or the first two method in this particular session. So now let's talk about graphical method. यार देखो बात है, जब मैंने एक लाइन को या एक इक्वेशन को एक लाइन के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट किया, तो ये इक्वेशन की लाइन ये है,